Hi students, welcome to all in the study session. We will start with first chapter of geography, the resource and the development. First, we should focus on the word resource. You can see many things around you like pen stand, clock, glass, chair, table. All these things are satisfying your needs in some or the other way. So we can see that everything available in our environment which can be used to satisfy our needs provided it is technologically accessible, economically feasible and culturally acceptable can be termed as resource. Means the things which can be technologically used, technologically made, economically it can be purchased by each and every person, and socially in the culture, in the society it is accepted. All the things which we are using is known as resource. Human being is also a good resource, is a better resource, we can make it a resource. Human being as a resource use also the physical environment, it uses the technology, and with that it is making the institutions. In this way, it is three things are having the interdependent relationship between the nature and the technology and the institution. So it is very much clear that the resource which we are having or which satisfy our needs is known as a resource.